All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about math. So Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Built-in math functions, okay, so they have the min and max functions that can be used to find the lowest or highest value in an interval. The math module. Python also has a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use it, you must import the math module. When you have imported the math module, you can start using the methods and constants of the module. The math square root method, for example, returns the square of a number, okay? Then we have the math.ceiling method. It rounds a number upwards to its nearest integer, and the math.floor method rounds a number downwards to its nearest integer. All right, so now let's jump into the notebook and look at some of these examples. All right, so let's create a math notebook. So we're going to click on New, and we're going to do Python 3 notebook, and we're going to label this 20, and then we're going to give it the name of math. So 20.math with a space as well, make it look all nice and pretty. And we're going to do the min-max functions, which can be used to find the lowest or highest values in an interval. We're going to write an example of that right now. So let's do x equals min, and we'll do 5, 10, 25, and then we'll do y equals max, and we'll do 5, 10, 25, and then we're going to print x, and we're going to print y. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to find, for x, it's going to find the lowest number, and for y, it's going to find the highest number. Okay, so if I print this, you're going to get 5 and 25. Okay. Now, the next example we can talk about is the ABS function, which returns the absolute positive value of a specified number. Okay, so for this example, if I were to do x equals ABS, okay, negative 7.25, and then we print x, it's going to give me 7.25 in theory. Yes, and it does. Okay. Then the POW, xy function returns the value of x to the power of y. Okay, so return the value of 4 to the power of 3, same as 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, just a quicker way to do it. Okay, and so we're going to do x equals POW, and then 4, 3, and then we'll do print x, and what are we going to get? What's 4 times 4 times 4? If you don't know, run it. And if you do know, it's 64. There you go. Okay. Then the math module. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use it, you must import the math module. So let's do that, and we'll use the square root method, for example, and it will return the square root of a number. Okay. So if I do import, and we do math, and then we do x equals math dot square root, and we do 24, okay, and then print x, and run that, what do we get? 4.8989794855666356, okay? Now, if I change this to 32, what would it be then? 5.6. If I changed it to 64, it's 8.0, okay? So you get the idea. And then the math.ceiling method rounds a number upwards to its nearest integer, and the math.floor method rounds a number downwards to its nearest integer. So let's take a look at that. So we can see what the ceiling is and what the floor is for each number, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to import math again. X equals math.ceiling.ceil 1.4, and then y equals math.floor, and we'll do 1.4. Okay, and then when we print this, x is going to be 2, and y will be 1, because x is going to round up, and y is going to round down. Okay, so we'll do print x, and then print y, and we'll run it. Okay, and then they round up to 2, and then 1 rounds down to 1. Okay. Then the math.pi pi, constant, returns a value of pi, which is 3.14. Okay? I know this because my father was a math teacher and he never let me forget pi. Import math, x equals math.pi, and then we're going to print x. Okay? So when I run that, what happens? 3.14.1592653589793. Okay, that's pi. Okay, so that is math in Python. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.